Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. We decorated here a biomedical sleep inducer, and in this system we use here a SMPS of 5 volt and 5 ampere, and we included here one relay module to make sure switching and 2 indicator light also, and we need to use here a buck converter, 4 manual switch and one Arduino Nano. After that we use here a LCD display, and then we use here a RTC module to provide time and date, and one manual switch for our primary coil and one secondary coil also. We will check the full operation of our project, and you see here that we included here 4 manual switch, and these manual switches will be used here to change time and date and set alarm. So you see here that it was 7:20, so I need to change this time as per our requirement. On that cases, I need to know the accurate time or real time of worldwide, and so I can check my watch and it's showing 9:40. So I will set a alarm in our system, and it will be after 5 minutes or 6 minutes from now. So here we can set our every seconds time also as per our requirement. So we set the seconds value also in this system, and then we will confirm this time to make a alarm to wake up. Now we will get a options to set our real time and date with the day. So our real time is now 9:40, and now we will set this time as our watch, and we need to change the day name also, and it's basically Wednesday, so we will change the day name also, and our real date will be 20th December of 2023, and it's completely added here. And so now let's check the proper alarming time of our system. So it's 45 minutes, and when it will be arrived at that moment, our alarm system will be working here. So you see here that our power supply is running now, and we will wait here for our alarm time, and primarily we can check the sleeping mode frequency from our primary winding, and we will use here a secondary winding that will provide electricity to our LED, and we can check this system by using turn on and off our manual switch, and this manual switch will make sure the power supply for our primary winding. And you see here that our indicator light is glow here, so we can say that our system is providing wave energy, and by using this wave energy we will helps us or helps any person to make proper sleep. And in this system we will get another magnetic effect from this primary winding. So we will set this iron material in front of our primary winding, and now it's turn off mode. That's why this primary winding not provide any magnetic induction effect and any wave form for make sleep. So now I will turn on this switch and it will make sure the power supply for our primary winding, and now we will get a magnetic induction effect, and that will connect with this metal, and it will try to connect our primary winding with this metal, and this wave will helps us to make a proper slip. And after sometimes when it will be more than 45 minutes, at that moment it will be switching and send another wave with high frequency, and that will break our sleep. At that moment this red LED will be turned on and green LED will be turned off, and at the same time relay will be switching and make proper wave to break our sleep. So in this way our total system will be worked here. So it's switching now. So you see here that our secondary winding will provide proper voltage to our LED, that's why it's make a proper glow. So we check here the magnetic induction effect to our metal frame or metal materials. This system will be running for 5 minutes or 2 minutes as per your requirement. It will change the position to normal wave after some times, and that time green LED will be turned on and red LED will be turned off. At that time this system will provide again normal frequency wave, and it will help us to sleep again. So this is the full operation of our project. If you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.